Hello students, our today's topic is decimals. Under this topic, today we are going to study addition of numbers with decimals. As you know, we can add the numbers with decimals in the following steps. The first step is, first of all, convert all the decimals into like decimals by completing the places after decimals. It means we have to make the number of digits after decimal same. Now, how to convert the decimals into like decimals? We can do this by putting the 0 at the end of the decimal number. The second step is write all the decimal numbers one below the other and keeping decimal points vertically below each other. Now, third step is then add the number using column method starting from rightmost digit. The last step, do not forget to put decimal in the answer. Example to understand addition of decimals. Add 0.007, 8.5 and 30.08. Students, we see that these decimal numbers are not like decimals because the number of digits after decimal are not same. Here are 3 digits, here is only 1 digit, and here are 2 digits. So our first work is to convert them into like decimals. Here are 3 digits, so in each number there must be 3 digits after decimal. In 8.5 we will put 20 after 5, and in 30.08 we will put only 10 after 8. So these 3 decimals are now like decimals. Now we can add these decimal numbers by column method. First we will write them in vertically in a line. 0.007, 8.500, 30.080. Now we will add the digits of the same place. Here is 7, 0 plus 0 plus 8, 0 plus 5 plus 0, it is 5, 0 plus 8 plus 0, it is 8, and it is 3. Now the answer is 38.587. We will put decimal below the decimal. Subtraction of numbers with decimals. We can subtract the numbers with decimal using the following steps. First of all, convert all the decimals into like decimals by putting the zeros to the right of given number after decimal. Means number of digits after decimal should be same in all numbers. The second step is put the greater decimal number above the smaller decimal number, keeping the decimal point one above the other. The third step is subtract the numbers using column method. And the last step is do not forget to put the decimal in the answer. Now let us understand the process of subtraction of numbers with decimals, taking an example. So let's take the example: subtract 325.475 from 624.2. In solving this problem, first of all we will convert these two decimals into like decimals. We see that in this number there are 3 places after decimals, and in this number only one digit is there after decimal. So we can write this number 624.200. Now both the decimal numbers are like decimals. How? There are 3 places or 3 digits after decimal. Here is also 3 digits after decimal. So first we will select the greater number of the two. This one is the greater number, so we will write it at the top, and the second number, which is less than this one, we will put this number below the first one. Then we will subtract starting from the rightmost digit. Applying the process of subtraction as we know, we get the answer as 298.725. So we have to put the decimal below the above two decimals. Now an important note regarding addition and subtraction of decimals. To add or subtract the decimal numbers, they must be in the same units. For example, if we want to add 450 gram and 5 kilogram, first we have to convert the 450 gram into kilogram and then add it to 5 kilogram. In this way we can add or subtract the decimal numbers. I hope the students you have understood well the concept. Thanks.